Hi, I'm Nathalie Doremieux, and in this video I am going to show you how to boost engagement in your online courses, your membership site, and provide stellar support to your students, members, one-on-one clients. And the way you're going to do this is with what we call conversations. So conversations are modules like this one, like the one you can see here on the screen. Basically, you can add a conversation module to any page on any online course, any membership site that you have. And what it does, it allows members to communicate with each other so that they can interact with each other, answer each other questions. They can pair for accountability. They can talk about the actual lesson and questions that they have, but they can also ask you a question, you the admin, the instructor of the course, and you will be notified by email. So that is the first type of conversations that are actually public, so anybody that has access to the page can see everybody's questions, can answer anybody, okay? And then there is the second kind of conversation, which is more for your one-on-one clients. So if you are a coach and you want to provide that a private area for your members where they can have this conversation with you, they can ask you questions, you reply, it shows up in the member area, then you can also use the private conversations for that. And if you pair it with our Dropbox share feature, where you can basically link a Dropbox folder per one-on-one client, then you can share with them resources, call replays, and things like that just by drag and dropping the file in their Dropbox folder, right? You can also allow them to upload content, so they can upload homework, any types of files, videos that you would like to allow them to send to you, and then you can be notified. So it's a great way to build a strong relationship with your clients through the member area. But it's also a great way when you use it as a public for the community to engage with each other, to provide support to each other, and also to get access to you for any questions. Another cool feature of the conversations is that you can archive a conversation. So if the conversation becomes obsolete or you want to not have it in the main feed, you just can click on archive. If you're an admin, you can archive everything. If not, then you can only archive your own questions, basically. You can delete your questions if you don't want it to show up anymore. If you go to archives, of course, you'll see what's been archived, so it's not deleted. But what also you can do is download the whole thread. So you have the option to download the whole conversation as a text file so that you can save it on your computer, and you can basically keep that for your record. So as you can see, conversations are a great way to boost engagement for your students, your members, but also to provide a great experience for your one-on-one clients and build a strong relationship with them through the membership site.